Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today for our webinar on Salesforce Experience Cloud in the life sciences organizations. My name is Mary Kirshner. I lead the customer success team here at FocalCXM, and we are really excited to have you join us today. Before we get started, I wanted you to know that we will have time at the end for some questions and comments. So please post your questions in the Q&A link below, and we'll address them at the end of the presentation. Today, we are going to learn about how Salesforce Experience Cloud can maximize ROI, simplify integrations, and deliver exceptional customer journeys in the life sciences sector. We are very happy to have two of our seasoned Salesforce architects with us today. Skip Kleckner will kick us off. He leads the development of Lightning Web components for high-profile clients. With expertise in data architecture, system integration, and enterprise-level solutions, Skip has managed many complex Salesforce projects. With him today to showcase a demo is Joshi Ambadas. Joshi specializes in designing and delivering robust, scalable, and high-performance Salesforce solutions. He's skilled in designing and implementing seamless integrations between Salesforce and enterprise systems. Thank you for being with us today, Skip and Joshi. I'll pass this on to you.
Thanks, Mary. Hello, everybody. Thanks for taking the time to join us today. My name is Skip, and along with my colleague Joshi, we're excited to be here to talk about how you can utilize Salesforce Experience Cloud in life sciences. Today, we're going to dive into why Experience Cloud is such a game changer for life science experiences and self-service experiences. Whether you're connecting with patients, healthcare providers, or payers, this platform is designed to streamline your operations and keep you compliant. All right, let's take a quick look at what we're going to cover today. First, we'll do some housekeeping. I'll talk briefly about what Experience Cloud is. Then we'll move on to the current landscape and some of the other options out there and discuss why Experience Cloud can transform your life sciences organization maybe a little differently depending on what you're trying to do than the other options. After that, we're going to move forward with some more hands-on fun stuff, hopefully to get you to start thinking about your own use cases and possibilities. We'll discuss some popular use cases and success stories in the life sciences sector. And then we'll dive into a live demo with Joshi to show you how it all works in action. And then we'll wrap up with a Q&A session where we'll try to answer any questions you might have. So over the next few minutes, our intent is to give you just a glimpse into the powerful capabilities of Experience Cloud and how they specifically apply to life sciences. So what is Salesforce Experience Cloud? Here's something I got from Salesforce.com. It's a cloud-based platform designed to enhance collaboration among clients, partners, and employees. It enables the creation of branded digital experiences like portals, websites, and online communities. So that's kind of an out-of-the-box explanation of what it is. Here are some benefits of this platform. So we can have improved customer engagement. So this means that we can build stronger relationships with end users, HCPs, clients through personalized customer service. Experience Cloud will seamlessly integrate effortlessly with Salesforce that you already have, the Salesforce products and third-party systems, ensuring a centralized data flow. And then there's this virtual customization. You can customize Experience Cloud portals and websites to look and feel and meet whatever needs you're trying to accomplish. So why choose Experience Cloud? It will transform customer interaction and boost productivity, making it crucial for businesses looking to improve their digital engagement strategies. So let's take a look now at the current landscape. There are many options available to build web solutions out there. Experience Cloud might not be the best choice for every scenario. For example, some simple content websites, or if there's a cost-sensitive project, or even smaller businesses that don't really have the exposure to CRM and Salesforce CRM, where they can't leverage what they already have. Maybe it's not the right choice for you. Even like a simpler and more budget-friendly solutions could be more suitable for these scenarios. But Experience Cloud is right for you if you're looking to have seamless integration with existing Salesforce implementation that you already have. So you will have a unified data. All of your customer data stays in one place, and as it's updated and managed in the back end, you'll have real-time updates. So if there's, for example, a batch process or an admin update to data in the back end, it will reflect in real time in your portal or website or Experience Cloud instance. There's the easy customization and personalization. You can do this all point and click in Experience Cloud with user-friendly tools to drag and drop builder and things like that. The personalized content, it's all based on your existing data. So you can build out your solutions based on existing data that you already have. And probably the most important thing here is the robust security and compliance that anything Salesforce offers. Top-notch security, protect sensitive data with advanced security features. There's regulatory compliance, which we're going to meet industry standards like GDPR and HIPAA. And then there's simple access. You can utilize Salesforce logins for secure and easy access with Experience Cloud. I think these benefits can make Experience Cloud a logical choice for enhancing customer and partner engagement, especially for organizations that already are using Salesforce. Let's take a more in-depth look at some of these scenarios on the next slide. So I want to make a connection as to why Experience Cloud is such a great choice for life sciences. First, Salesforce is trusted by over 80% of global pharmas. There's a huge footprint that's already there existing. Think about large pharma. They use Salesforce internally already. So now you can reuse what you already have and expand your reach with Experience Cloud. One big advantage is how easily Experience Cloud fits in with your existing systems. So imagine a biotech company already uses Salesforce CRM. They can boost patient engagement by adding Experience Cloud without having to start like from scratch and make all the connections and integrations. This will save time and money and make the most of what you're already doing, what you already have in your system. Along with having the platform in place already, there's an expert support network. Experience Cloud, utilizing Experience Cloud you're going to be able to utilize the same skill sets you already have in-house to work on your Salesforce work. So that, along with the vast network of certified experts and technical support that you can get, make it a great choice to go in this direction. When it comes time when it comes to compliance and security, Experience Cloud is top-notch in this area. It'll meet strict privacy and security rules, which is crucial, especially when you're handling sensitive patient data. For instance, a hospital can confidently utilize Experience Cloud, knowing it meets all relevant regulations. So Experience Cloud is part of what is called the Salesforce Customer 360 platform. This basically provides a unified view of all customer data. For this, imagine a life sciences company is seeing a complete history of a patient's interactions, treatments, feedback, whatever all interactions, all in one place. This will help provide a more personalized and specialized care. Experience Cloud grows with your organization. Picture a pharmaceutical company expanding its patient programs. Start small and expect it to grow over time. With Experience Cloud, they can easily scale to support more users, more data, keeping the performance high. Think of a future-proof think of it as a future-proof solution that helps you adapt as your needs change and grow. To sum up, Experience Cloud is a secure, scalable solution trusted by many already in the life sciences. It's easy to integrate. There's a robust support network, and compliance features just make it ideal for improving patient engagement. All right, so the purpose of this slide is to get you thinking about the possibilities. Here are a few examples. Experience Cloud, one example would be Experience Cloud can help you create help centers to support customers with self-service options. An example of this would be a pharmaceutical company setting up a help center for patients, reducing the workload of their support team by providing answers to common questions. So you don't have to have your call center to constantly get calls and document these things. You can hopefully offload some of that work into Experience Cloud. The platform enables secure account portals. Patients can view and manage their own personalized treatment plans and appointments, and this keeps them informed and engaged in their own care, which is what we're looking for usually. Experience Cloud supports partner portals for effective collaboration as well. This is just another use case that we were thinking of. So imagine a biotech firm can use a partner portal to share research data securely with collaborators and innovate faster that way. And so use of microsites for targeted small scale websites. An example of this would be a pharma company launching a microsite for a new drug. They can provide healthcare providers with detailed information and resources about that drug. Here are just a few use cases. But there are countless other possibilities. So we're going to show you here one use case in action. Next, Joshi will walk you through a simple adverse event use case, basically an end-to-end example of how Experience Cloud can facilitate client-facing and back-end systems integration around adverse events. Joshi, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Skip. So let's look into the demo. So we created a fictitious client called Focal Pharma, which is a giant pharmaceutical industry. Currently, they have a call center that handles adverse events, but they wanted to streamline the way adverse events are communicated. So we created a portal to allow the reporting of these adverse events to directly enter into the system, creating a case that can be managed in Service Cloud, reducing the need for call centers. So the current challenges they were facing was like data entry errors, which caused the data entry operators to report adverse events over the phone, where there could be possible miscommunication or misinterpretation of the information. Again, there is a dependency on agent availability when you are using the call centers. So there is no guarantee that an agent will always be available to take the report, leading to report delays, which could overall delay the whole process. And they also have time constraints. Basically, the process of calling and waiting for an available agent can be time consuming and distracting. So here we are, maybe just we'll define it as a problem statement here. Okay, Martin, a dedicated healthcare professional, faces significant challenges in reporting of these adverse events related to medical treatments and medications. See, the current phone-based reporting system that allowed entry of data where it is error prone due to miscommunication and unavailability of agents, as I mentioned earlier, causing significant issues in the overall experience for the end users. So to address these issues, we proposed developing an adverse event reporting portal using the Salesforce Experience Cloud. This is important because reporting of adverse events allows your company to investigate and adjust dosage recommendations, communicate the same to the FDA, and also helps in like issuing warnings, ensuring patient safety, and regulatory compliance, which is a must. So let me quickly dive into the uh, portal and show you how it is done. I hope you're able to see my screen. Okay,
Yep.
so this is the portal that we have built out. As I mentioned, we have the reporting of adverse event and product quality complaint feature here. Let's go in and look into what it does. Okay, I'm trying to fill in the required information here. Basically, the parent account. Let me choose. This is City Health Urgent Care. I'm choosing this account. The patient's age, I'm just entering it as 55 for now. The contact method was phone, and the contact is Susan Taylor. Okay, here we obtain the contact and account information. The next step would be to collect the information related to case. So the case type is product quality complaint, I'll say, and case reason is adverse event reported. The incident date is, let's add it as like today's date, and the same with the reporting date. I'll mark this as a severe in the severity level with symptoms as unexplained high grade fever. Next step would be to collect information related to the medical evaluation. uh, Diagnosis was infection in the intestine. Treatment advised was antibiotics for 5 days. Outcome is this patient is still going taking ongoing treatment, and the physician uh, asked for a follow-up in 5 days. Okay, so now that we have the medical evaluation information as well, let's go to the next screen, which is actually about the product which caused all of this. So I am choosing the product as metmorphin. I'll enter the batch number of that product. Manufacturer is glaucoma. Let me choose an expiry date which is in the future, and usage frequency is twice daily. So now that we have all the information that is collected, let me go ahead and submit the case. Okay, now you can see the case details. We have created the case in the system, and we got the case number here. So let's dive into the Service Cloud of Salesforce and try to look at the case here. Okay, so I am in the case list view, and let's try to open the cases that were created. Okay, so you see the case here, and if you see, we got all the details that were entered on the portal page here into the case. So after this, this will be passed on to the downstream systems called the quality systems. They will take care of what would be the next steps on this adverse event that was reported, and based on that, they'll be able to take the necessary correction required. So if like we saw here that the problem or the challenge that Focal Pharma was facing, where it involved calling through the phone or to a call center, and then the communication is made to the representative there, who would then enter all the information into the system. So we removed that extra additional layer that was causing the problem, and made sure that the case was actually directly created by the healthcare provider who wanted to report this. So with this, I think we come to an end to this demo. So over to you, Mary.
All right. Thank you, Skip and Joshi, for sharing your expertise with us. We do have a little bit of time here for a few questions. We have a couple already in the Q&A section, so thank you for those who have provided them. The first one is, what kind of customization options are available in Experience Cloud?
I can take this one, Joshi. Yeah, so I think the Experience Cloud is going to offer anything, an LWC. You can customize it however you want with CSS. You can brand the page layouts and custom components, personalized experiences to match your brand. There's dynamic content, I guess, too, that you can, based on, if you have dynamic content based on user groups, on roles, there's just, you can do whatever you want to customize the look and feel or how it works. Yeah, that's pretty much it at a high level. So if you're familiar with an LWC, you can really make it look and feel however you want to and do whatever you want it to do. Very flexible.
All right, thanks, Skip. Second question is, can you please provide a success story where Experience Cloud has significantly improved operations for a life sciences company?
Okay, I'll take that. So yeah, we have a very good success story. Like one of our clients, which has like a huge presence in the life sciences industry, like with over presence in over more than like 50 countries globally. So we implemented a portal that is very similar to how I did a demo earlier, and we have built them like a lot of features within that portal, like medical information page where they can search for all like the healthcare providers can go in and search for their products and like come to know of like a lot of information related to the product. And then we have like integrations with multiple systems like the Viva Medcoms, from where we would fetch data related to congress presentations or publications. And then we built out a feature related to the pipeline and research that the client was conducting, their pipeline, how it looked like, and what are the upcoming products from them, and all the research that is being done. So that was one more feature that we implemented. Similarly, contacting a medical expert directly. So to like sum it up overall, uh, before the implementation of this portal, all of these were like in multiple channels, causing a like a fragmented experience to the end user. But now it's a like one single place where you will get all of this information. So that portal was a real good success. With in fact, like we also had like globalization implementation, basically where you could get the content in your own preferred language. And currently it's active in 6 countries, and the plan is to like implement this for more than 25 countries. So it was a huge success, I think, and the customer was really happy.
Yeah, if I could add something to that. So that project started out as just a U.S. effort. So, and then the client definitely realized pretty early on that they wanted to make it an international effort. So just it kind of touches on the customization aspect of what I was going over in that, and scalability. So we were able to make these sites dynamic and have configurable content based on country, and it just lent itself to being very customizable per country, per every solution that we created these things for.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. let's see, there's one other additional question. Okay, so,
I'm looking at it too.
okay.
It's just, I'm not sure I understand.
Okay, call, chat, or task is creating the cases and SFDC from the portal. Oh, so I mean, maybe the question is, are we using call, chat, or task to create the cases and SFDC from the portal?
So I would say that not really. I think that's maybe some typos here, but
Okay.
The interaction on Experience Cloud, that kind of what Joshi showed, is going to be an external facing portal, and from that you can directly update the backend. So it wasn't a chat feature; it was actually just an Experience Cloud updating Service Cloud directly. So creating a case based on. So at the end of that, if you look through that flow, at the end of the flow, it says submit. So all those things you entered are then captured, and a case is created at the end. Does that answer that? Can you see that question, Joshi? Just if you have anything to add.
Actually, it's not. No, this one is not the email to case, but we provided an interface for the healthcare providers where they could they could enter specific data by choosing like some of the fields and entering manually any questions that they had about a product or about like reporting of the adverse event. So this was not like the direct email to case feature that we have in Salesforce, but more like a integration with multiple systems. Like the portal, from portal we get the information, create the case out of it, and then from the case we have downstream systems where this information is passed on to. I hope that answered the question.
All right, well, thank you. We can follow up with each of you after that if there's any more questions.
Okay.
All right, great. Well, that's it then today. So thank you all for joining us. We will be sending out this the link to this webinar to all of you who participated, and we are happy to answer any additional questions or talk to you about this in more detail. And we will be having some, additional webinars diving into some of these other features down the road. So thank you again, everybody.
Thank you.